Hey, what's up, White Squad? If you guys would like to achieve this look, then keep on watching.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me, so yeah.
Okay, so you want to start with freshly washed hair. This way your style will come out as neat as possible. You won't have to worry about any tangling beforehand. Here I'm just stretching out her hair so that you can see how long it can be before I blow dry it. So I'm going to go ahead and get the blow drying it. So this right here is after I blow dry her hair. Now let's get started. So for this style, you are going to need a comb. It does not matter what kind of comb you use, as long as it has a rat tail, well, a pointy end at the end. Next, you are going to need some rubber bands, some jam to better help grip the braid better, some scissors, some extension hair, and of course the beads that you will be using. Okay, so you want to start by parting off the sides. See, I'm taking off the sides that are shorter. With this part, this is going to be the bang that I create for her. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just parting it downwards, so that's the way that I'm going to be braiding her hair. By it being so short right there on her sides, what the jam will do, it will help me allow me to grip the hair more better. See, right now I parted the hair and now I'm applying the jam onto the part so that I can make the part more Now what I'm doing is I'm taking a piece of hair, taking it apart. You kind of get a feel of how big you want the braid. It just depends on you and your client and how big you want the braids to be. So now what I'm going to do is, it's two methods you can do. You can split the braid apart like so. Do a crisscross method. Fold it over and pull. This is the first way. Or this is the way that I do it. You take the hair, place your pointing finger through the braid, and wrap it around your thumb as if you're about to start a braid. Okay, so for the side braids, due to her size being so short, I'm not going to be feeding in these braids, but for the remainder of the hairstyle, it will be fed in. So what I do is I just start the braid and then I continue down until I'm done, and then I will braid it all the way down. And this will create her sides. Now once you're done braiding, you should have something very similar to this. Now you're ready to start on the lemonade braids. So what I have done is I have parted off how I want my lemonade braids to start. What I do is I start with braiding her real hair first, just down a little bit, or a half of an inch. As I begin to braid down more, I will gradually add in the extra hair. For each braid, I use about 5 or 6 strands of hair. I start off with the tiniest piece, braid down, and then I add more hair in. I do this until I feel that the braid has gotten big enough. For me, you want to be careful when adding the hair in because it can get too bulky and you don't want the braids to be too thick depending on what size lemonade braids you're doing. So here, once again, I put the braid the hair in, put the extra hair around, swoop it around, put it between my pointer finger and my thumb finger, and continue to braid the braid down. This will give you the natural look and also the feed-in effect. So I will continue to do this method until the braid is complete. Here is the finished braid. Here's a closer look of the braid. See, it is seamless. You can't see any knot. So now we're going to go ahead and get started on the next braid. Just the way that I wanted it for my daughter. It's pretty much the same process. Part, put 5 or 6 strands of hair down to the side and continue to feed in the braid until you're done. Okay, so here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.
On another level. Oh, you can talk all you want.